How to use Peacock Premium Plus ad-free. First of all, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice on your device. Once you open it, tap on that search bar, then proceed to type in peacocktv.com. Once you're here in the official site of the Peacock, scroll downwards or simply tap on this Get Peacock option. You will be sent to these plans. Now scroll downwards until you find this Premium Plus plan. Choose between month or annual. Once you select any of these plans, you will be sent to this new window where you can fill in your details. Proceed to type in your email over here, password, and make sure that you re-enter your password once again. Then fill in your information. Then scroll downwards. You will find this another option to add your payment methods. Go ahead and type in your card details and proceed to pay the bill. Now, once you have paid the bill, you should be able to enjoy the Peacock Premium Plus ad-free without any interruptions. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.